Hi friends, I'm your host Holly Ngo, and welcome back to Making Manufacturing Fun, Cool, and Sexy. When people hear the word factory, they often imagine something from decades ago. Rows of machines, assembly lines, people doing repetitive tasks, maybe a loud environment with sparks flying everywhere. But I think over the next 10 years, the word factory is going to mean something very different, because manufacturing is entering one of the biggest transformations we've seen in decades. Artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, advanced software, all these technologies are beginning to reshape how products get built. And I believe we're only at the beginning. For a long time, factories were optimized around one thing: scale. Build more, build faster, build larger volumes. That worked extremely well for many industries. If you were making millions of cars or consumer products, you wanted systems designed for mass production. But today's world looks different. Products are changing faster, technology is evolving faster, customers want more customization, engineering cycles are shorter. Companies are expected to move from idea to prototype very quickly. And because of that, manufacturing systems have to be more flexible. One of the biggest shifts happening right now is intelligence. Factories generate enormous amounts of data, machine performance, tool wear, production speeds, quality measurements. Historically, much of that information wasn't fully used, but AI changes that. Imagine a machine being able to recognize something doesn't look right before a tool breaks, before parts become scrap, before downtime happens. Imagine production systems that learn and improve over time. Factories begin moving from reactive systems to predictive systems. Instead of fixing problems after they happen, we start preventing them before they happen. That's a huge shift. Whenever AI and robotics come up, people immediately ask, are robots replacing people? Personally, I don't think that's the right question. I think a better question is, how will humans and machines work together? Because robots are incredibly good at repetitive work, consistency, precision, operating continuously. But humans still bring things robots struggle with: creativity, problem solving, leadership, relationships, innovation. I think future factories become environments where humans and machines complement each other. Humans move toward higher value activities. Robots help increase productivity. I also think something interesting happens with factory sizes. Historically, manufacturing often moved towards very large centralized facilities, but automation changes economics. As systems become more efficient, we may begin seeing more highly automated factories that are smaller and located closer to innovation hubs. Imagine this: an engineer designs a product in Silicon Valley. That afternoon, a prototype gets built. The next day, it's tested, changes are made, and by the end of the next week, a new version exists. That's incredibly powerful. The faster we compress the cycle times between idea and execution, innovation happens sooner. So it's not AI, it's not automation by itself. It's what happens when all these technologies come together. Because manufacturing is really the bridge between imagination and reality. Ideas alone don't change the world. Ideas built into physical systems change the world. And I believe the factories of the future will become some of the most advanced environments we've ever seen. Not places where humans disappear, but places where humans and technology work together to build things faster and better than ever before. Thank you so much for listening today. Let's keep inspiring more women and the next generation to see how fun, cool, and sexy manufacturing and technology can be. Until next time, keep on creating, keep on innovating, and always remember to keep it fun, cool, and sexy. I'm Holly Ngo, and I'll see you in the next episode.